Hello guys, you are watching Arty for You YouTube channel, and I welcome you to second episode of optimizing low-end PC for gaming. Basically this is second part of the series. I request you to watch the first part first, if you haven't yet. If you are watching this video after couple of days of its release, then its third part is uploaded. I will provide you a playlist of the series, so check it out after watching this video. Steps shown in this video will not harm your computer. You can follow the steps without any tension and stress. After following the steps, your PC will not have major impact on your PC but will surely improve your gaming experience and overall performance. Before starting the video, subscribe to know to miss any further upload and like, and share this to your low-end PC buddies. Let's roll the intro.
I will have to teach you how to be villains. Now listen closely. Here's a little
Power setting.
First go to Control Panel, then go to Power option and set it to High Performance. By doing that your PC will take more power but gives more performance.
Time to take out the admin ship.
Press Window key plus R to open Run, then type msconfig and press Enter, go to Startup tab, and uncheck all unnecessary files that you don't know what it is. The more programs will ticked, the more RAM and CPU usage will fill. Importantly, uncheck the Windows Update. These files open when your PC starts, but there is no need to open every program at startup. I am telling you agent, uncheck the Windows Update. There is no need to check for Windows Update every time. Do this step carefully, don't rush. Then restart to take effect.
My PC is not a bar.
Click on Start button, then type Disk Cleanup. Wait for some time, depending on your PC trash. Basically it is just calculating the dump file size and collecting it from different locations. It may take some time. After some time a dialog box will appear. Tick out everything except game statics if you play pre-installed Windows game. After ticking the boxes, click on OK, and this time it also takes some time depending on your trash size. Here it is clearing the dump file from your PC, which is taking your system memory without any use.
Killing non-using application.
Press Shift plus Escape key, plus Control key, or right-click on taskbar and then click on Start Task Manager to open it. When it opens, go to Processes and end every application that you are not using right now. It doesn't sound more important, but trust me, this process is important. Do this step every time when you are switching to other application. In my case Google Chrome takes so much CPU usage and slow my overall system.
Registry Editor.
Click on Start button, search for Registry Editor, then open it with administration. When it will open, double-click on Current User, then expand Control Panel. Double-click on Mouse folder, and find Mouse hover time and click on it. Set the number to 10 from 400 and then click on OK. Then go to Desktop folder and find mouse delay and set the number to 10 from 400. Click OK, save it, and restart your PC to see effect. It will increase your mouse response time. Thanks for this video guys till end. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. What you are waiting for? Press the red text below and click on bell icon to not to miss any further upload.